Today I have the GameSir G7 Pro. This is a really nice controller that I've been testing out for the last couple weeks. I want to thank GameSir for sending the sample to me for my testing. So this definitely has a premium feel to it. Inside the box you have your charging dock, and this is a really nice aesthetic well that matches really cleanly with this. When you plug it in, this LED down here will indicate the status of the charging. They also give you some extra D-pads. They do include a wireless dongle for USB. And then of course you got some paperwork in the box too. And the USB cable they include is nylon braided, and it goes from USB-A to USB-C. So this thing really does have a nice feel to it. The Hall effect triggers feel buttery smooth, and the TMR sticks are ultra responsive, plus 2 back paddles for custom mapping. The faceplate can be interchanged, so you just pull it off here and it magnetically attaches. The G7 Pro has tri-mode connectivity, so it can go wired on the Xbox or wireless on the PC with the dongle. Then you have Bluetooth for mobile. The feel of the controller is really nice. The grip is excellent. If you look close, there is a diamond pattern that feels really good. So overall, if you're looking for a quality controller, I would definitely recommend the GameSir G7 Pro. I've been extremely happy with it, and I think you will be too.